The triangular cables you've requested have arrived. Hey, my boss Gang Seekow is too lazy. Just sleeps all day. Stop sleeping. Be careful, the Legion of Chaos comes to cause trouble again. Oh no, the missile ghost really is here again.
Oh.
He's chewing the wires. So many. It won't stop. You are so powerful.
What's going on? What should I do?
Boss, don't worry. I've already set up the traps in advance. Eliminating them will be a piece of cake. Activate the trap. Ha-ha! I'm in a joint store. They're done for. Ha-ha-ha! Aren't my traps amazing? I've turned on all the switches and powered it up. Face your doom, sea ghosts. Haha! Let's see if you dare to come and cause trouble again next time.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe to Jolly Pebble Cartoons for more fun and exciting content. Stay tuned for more adventures.